Hello everyone, just wanted to show a short video of my outcomes for the 1 hour of code project, and this is what I came up with. I actually used the Scratch activities code of 1 hour of code. This is animate a name. You pick a name and you bring the letters of the word to life by using code. This is something that I have never done. I have never done coding, so I thought this was very it was a new experience for me. It took me a while to figure it out, but with the great instructions, step-by-step instructions, I finally came up with this. Okay, so just I'm going to click on each letter, and each letter says something in Spanish because I do teach Spanish 1 and 2. So I thought this was something that I can really use in my classroom. I already created an account and everything. So this is my final project. Hola, me llamo Jackie. Me gusta comer frutas. Yo tengo 15 años. Yo soy de El Salvador. Me gusta bailar. Me gusta jugar fútbol. Mucho gusto. Adiós.